This product's price does change often. Be sure and check out the link down below in the description to see what kind of price you can get for it. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this mini body cream duo. Now, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about this body cream duo and help you know what you can expect when you get it. Now, this is the brand right here. You can see it's Sol de, I believe it's Janeiro. Very awesome brand of this body cream here. We actually get two of these body creams here in this set. You can see they are definitely a little bit smaller here, as they are just kind of a little tiny on-the-go travel size here. But I did want to mention that we have this one right here, which is the Bom Dia Bright Cream, and then we've got this one over here, which is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Now, if we take a look here, they are individually sealed here on the inside underneath the cap, which is really nice, but this is the cream right here. If you guys have ever smelled this cream, it smells so amazing in my opinion. I really love the smell of this cream, and I've been super impressed with it. I really think this brand makes really nice high quality products, and I've been so impressed with these little travel on the go mini body creams, and for that reason I would highly recommend this kit. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.